Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al, and welcome to my very last video of November 2025. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box. Sometimes these are the cards for the Show Us Your SheetLoad feature, other times they're cards just because. But every time I love to open them and see what's inside. If you're ever interested in sending me a card, my P.O. box is at the bottom of the description box below. And if you're going to show us your sheet load, I have that guideline video linked down in the description box as well. Let's go ahead and open my mail. Up first are 3 cards that I received from Michelle L. of New Jersey. On the left, there are 2 of the October 2025 sheet loads, and over on the right is an example of the September 2025 sheet load. I love all of them, but I especially love the shine on the one on the right. This card came from Darcy B. of Kansas. It was a beautiful Thanksgiving card. I love the cluster of leaves and how she did some metallic spray on those dark green ones. Yvonne K. from Wisconsin sent in 2 examples using the November 2025 sheet load of cards. I love how just changing up the papers can change up the occasion therefore, and how she has switched up her focal points. I am loving the mixed media look of this card from Joyce M. of Washington. It might be my first Christmas card of 2025. I'm so excited to get more. And speaking of the holiday, I was super excited to receive a package from Helga, aka Crea Bea of the Netherlands. She sent me an adorable card, a cute little happy worm that she crocheted, and an advent calendar from Marion Designs. Thank you so much, Helga, for your generosity. And speaking of Advents, make sure to join me for my December Crafty Advent Live 2025 live stream series, where I will be opening now 8 Advent calendars with the one Helga sent and giving away almost as many. You can watch the kickoff video to get all of the details. I will have it linked in the description box below, and make sure to join me most days at 10 a.m. Central from December 1st through the 24th. And speaking of prizes to give away, this next card was a thank you card from Carmen B. of Colorado, who you know here on YouTube as Choose Joy with Carmen, and she is an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who has donated one of the Stampin' Up! 12 Days of Christmas calendars as a giveaway. So thank you, Carmen, for the beautiful card and for the wonderful prize. This beautiful fall card came from Beth J. of Florida. She used the October 2025 sheet load. I absolutely love the paper she used. Thank you so much for the nice note, Beth, and I hope you had safe travels. My crafty friend Karen of Virginia sent me this beautiful Thanksgiving card. I am loving the focal point and how she has embossed that background cardstock. And speaking of Thanksgiving, aka Turkey Day, the final card today came from Cheryl of Utah. I absolutely love that image. And you guys, she created her own pattern papers for the side panels by weaving scraps of other pattern papers. How cool is that? Thank you to everybody who took the time to send in a beautiful creation this past month. And also thanks again to Carmen for sponsoring one of my Crafty Advent Live prizes, and to Helga, aka Crea Bea, for sharing the Marion Designs Advent Calendar. I cannot wait to start opening it. Until then, which is tomorrow, not only will I be back with a brand new sheet load of cards, but I'll be going live at 10 o'clock a.m. Central with Yvette of Yvette Olea Creates for the very first day, day 1 of Crafty Advent Live 2025. I'm so excited to get started. And speaking of that, As a thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video and listen carefully, I have a bonus secret word for you if you're going to collect them to be entered into the December giveaways. Remember, these are secret words, so do not share it in the comments or in the chat if we're doing a premiere or with other people, because I do want those of you who are taking the time to watch the videos and listen carefully to be the ones who are getting entered into the giveaways. The bonus secret word for this video is mail, M-A-I-L. Until tomorrow, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.